Escape to the breathtaking Goffs Caye on this excursion from Belize City. Begin with a 30-minute scenic boat ride to this tiny, pristine island, surrounded by crystal clear waters and the Mesoamerican Barrier Reef. Arriving to the island, you can relax with your toes in the sand, take a dip, and enjoy a delicious lunch of locally prepared dishes.
I have this wonderful plate of local food.
I am eating their chicken with their rice, corn, and coleslaw.
Snorkeling is a fun and optional part of this tour. You will snorkel either from the shores of Goffs Caye or from the boat in the waters near Goffs, depending on the conditions. Enjoy vibrant coral formations and encounter an abundance of tropical fish. This family-friendly tour is a good way to introduce kids to snorkeling, as you don't have to commit to a long time in the ocean. Afterward, relax on the stunning Goffs Caye beach, savoring the Caribbean ambiance and white coral sand before returning to the mainland.
It's been the best trip I've had in a very long time.
The Goffs Caye Excursion is the perfect way to spend your time in Belize before heading back to your cruise ship or hotel.